Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about ONYXCOIN, why you want to put it red hot on the radar for the bull run. We believe this coin has insane potential. You got to put it on the radar. This coin is a beast. All right. In this video, we're going to talk some price prediction, what we think is coming for ONYXCOIN. Make sure, guys, to smash the like, hit the like, subscribe to this channel, click the bell, and leave a comment. What do you think about XCN? Now, let's go into the video. Okay, so XCN, okay, this is a very nice coin. You know, it had no, no prior market cycle, before 2023. It's actually from 2022. You can see it was born in May 2022. All right, let's look on this chart as well. It was born here in April. All right, we had a little rally in April. But anyway, 2022. And then it just went into a bear market, a brutal bear market. Then look what happened here. That was the bottom for this coin, okay, XCN. That was the bottom for XCN back here in November 2023. It broke from the bottom, made a nice move up, okay. That was a very nice move up, okay. It might not look like a lot, but it was like a 5x, all right. So that was the first leg of XCN. Then you had the second leg right here, okay, that's Elliott wave analysis, okay. And then you had this leg, okay, the leg 3. That was unbelievable pump in January 2025. Pretty much it went bazooka, but it started in October 2024, okay. So since November 2024 all the way to January 2025, like 3 months, this coin went up 40x. Okay, now what's beautiful about XCN, if you look carefully, if you watch chart, on January it made the significant move. The majority of the move was in January. And what happened in January? Bitcoin was pooping. Okay, Bitcoin was taking a piss, going down actually in dollar value. And this coin printed insane run, okay, which is very, very impressive. Okay, so now again, that's my 2 cents. By the way, this video is not a financial advice. Nothing we say is a financial advice. We don't tell you to buy anything. Don't buy anything. Now we are in leg 4. Okay, so you can see this is corrective leg now. Okay, the corrective wave down in leg 4. It's now consolidating in leg 4. Once this thing will be completed, okay, we don't know how long it's gonna take. It can take another month, 2 months, 3 months, week, whatever. But once this thing is gonna break out, we see the downtrend here. Let's say it's continuing going down a little bit, and then start running. Let's say September, October, whatever. Break the downtrend. To me, that will be the beginning of the 5th leg. Okay, so remember we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5. Okay, so the 5 should be very big, okay, because this is, we're going into the altcoin season moment, okay, the altcoin cycle. Okay, so altcoins should perform very, very well, and this thing, once it's gonna break out, I believe it's gonna get a lot of attention, because this thing is it have serious buyers here that propel the price so hard. So we think, let's look some price prediction. Okay, take the fib here, extension tool. By the way, smash the like, guys, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so you can see this leg went all the way to the 2s. That's the 2s here on the fib extension. Okay, so look, the targets, we think it's definitely going to definitely, again, that's my 2 cents, not a financial advice. We think it's going to test the all-time high in the next leg up, once it's going to break out of the downtrend here. Okay, so you had a downtrend just like you did here. Look at it, broke out the downtrend. Okay, you broke the downtrend, and that was it. Okay, bam, you break downtrend. This coin, this coin is very nice because it break downtrend and it rip. Okay, you can see you don't have a lot of move. It's not happen a lot every day. But if you nail the breakout of the downtrend, you start buying once it's starting an uptrend. Oh boy, it's amazing opportunity. It's amazing trading opportunity. It's unbelievable. Okay, now we believe once it's going to break that level, okay, it's very likely to go this area first to around the 10 cent. Okay, this is this area first. Then once it clear that level, it's probably going to go to the 20 cents, and then we believe it's going to go to our target around the 50 cents. We might be wrong, we might be not, we might be wrong, we might be not, who knows. Anyway, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. That's what we think, man. We really think it's a beautiful coin. We'll watch it. Again, remember, sir, ma'am, whoever watching here, if it cannot take the downtrend, these predictions, you can throw it off the window, okay? The first and the most important thing is to see Onyx coin break above the downtrend, take the highs here, the 2 cents, close it above it, and take that high. If it cannot take that high and the downtrend, forget about this price prediction. It's probably not going to happen. Okay, you gotta clear the downtrend and the high. Okay, to really go to the leg fifth. We should because that's how markets move. Okay, they move in waves. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, we gotta get a 5. Okay, so for me, just to sum it up, I'm looking at like 50 cents around. You know, if we're lucky, if Bitcoin will not take a piss. But you know what? Even if Bitcoin will take a piss, even if it's now going to trigger a bear market, okay? So it's going to, let's say it's going to trigger a bear, whatever, and ONYXCOIN will go lower. Like, let's say it go lower, but it can break out later. Okay, it can break out later. Remember, this coin is a very strong coin. It don't really need Bitcoin so much. You know, it's move on its own cycle. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Smash the like, subscribe to our channel. By the way, if you trade crypto from the US, Canada, Australia, whatever, man, get yourself Bitunix account with the link below. This is the best exchange to trade crypto by far. I've been trading crypto for the last 8 years. This is the best exchange in the world, man. No KYC, no VPN from the US as well. And the cheapest trading fees ever, you know, it's amazing. And they also give you bonuses. You deposit 1K, you get $200 bonus. What else do you want, man? That's 10 times better than Coinbase, Kraken, and all the rubbish, you know, from the US that, you know, you paid so much fees anyway, and you have no coins. You cannot trade all the coins. Anyway, check this exchange, link below. By the way, if you want to join our membership, just to show you a trade we took in the community, Ethereum. We bought it in July, okay, in the 8th of July, by the break of 2645. Let me show you the price of ETH, man. Let me show you the price of Ethereum. That was our entry here. Very, very beautiful entry we had on Ethereum in July. Bam, that was here, 2645. Boom, it went up all the way up. Now it's pulling back. Obviously, it might put a local top here, but who cares? We already took profits, amazing profits. Max gains from the lows, 80% from the entry. Really, if you trade crypto, you like to trade crypto, you like altcoin season, you like flipping coins, you like rotating from winner to winner, you like to find new coins before they break out, check out the VIP, man. Scan the QR code. You can use the coupon SummerSell25 at checkout. You get all our trade alerts, all our market updates, general support, and our courses and education, man. Check it out. The best place to trade crypto by far. And if you trade with big amount, you know, like 50K and above, 6 digit, 7 digit, 8 digit, make sure you check the Elite VIP. This is for serious investors. Okay. We give you the best service ever, man. You got monthly calls, one-on-one phone calls. You have private coaching and mentorship. You have exclusive mega trades that we share with you on private. We also tell you, hey, man, market is gonna pull back. Move your stops higher. Take your profit. We're always taking care of you. We always back you up. This is the best for serious people with large accounts that need mentorship, that need help, and really want to grow their accounts safely and professionally, right? So if you are one of these guys, check out our Elite VIP, man. Thank you guys for watching. You have a great day. Cheers.